Ndongo ya Wiper Patriotic Front Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ni wavuthisi woni wao yumituke wa President William Ruto wa nthi ya Kenya unenini wake wa muthenya wa iyo ayasya tawailite kunena ni andu aingi vandu va mundu umwe ni wa mutola muti kwa kulea kuyanisya mawatho make mavo witina ta muvango wa bottom up nola wa Singapore ayasya President tawamiyete mbe wa atanalika kivilani ingi Kalonzo ni wavuthisia wendekethyo ula uvikitwe mbe wa Senate nola unenete kuvetangwa kwa kuonanua kwa mausungio makula wa ndani ayasya vayivinda ya mawendekethyo taasu mbe wosakwani ngilili na miongweli na muonza Ben Mosawe na mauvo
Inene akuya yata Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ni wakosoa muvango mwa wa kukonia ni wa nthi ya Kenya na ulotangaswe kumuthenyani weyo ni President William Ruto kabindani kalo kumasya uneni wake kwa nthi.
Yesterday President Ruto talked about a new vision, and I can tell you one thing. 1 year, because tomorrow is the 1st of August 2026. The next August will be election August, precisely on the 10th of August. Therefore, it appears to me that that national conversation William Ruto is talking about is out of step. Kenyans want to have conversation with William Ruto on the ballot box in August next year.
Kalonzo ni waweta nthi ya Kenya yenda unenania wa nthi yonthe na kukonia Kenya onthe inditiuti wa mundu umwe kuwa iweta Ruto tawemetwe ni muvango la wathie nthi wa bottom up na la wa kuthisi kwikalia Kenya nthi ya Singapore.
And we have been talking about Vision 2030 that President Kibaki and us enunciated to develop that national vision. My fellow citizens, you really need proper consultation, not one man's vision. Because one man's vision will start with, we are a hustler nation, then that gets forgotten after you go into office. We are Mama Mboga and others. Then you are saying, we are going to Singapore. People have forgotten the route to Singapore. My brother, Dr. Oburu Odinga says, we shall go to Canaan via Singapore. They should listen to Dr. Masika, honestly. And then, which is the other one? Bottom up approach. All of that. Yeah, useful conversation.
Kabindani Kalonzo ni waleana na mutalatala ulotha kitu mbungeni ya Senate na wendeketheiti kuvetangwa kwa kutangaswa imwe kwa mausungio mausa kwa ni munene aiweta itambia yuni itonya kuothothea kukosekana kwa umelu na haki na nzama ya unyavani na mivaka IBC aimwenda mwene kivila wa nzama eno Erastus the Con kwitha emetho.
The IBC must take note. We saw the chairman saying, oh, no, there will be still live streaming. But that is his view as the chairman of Independent Elections and Boundaries Commission. There's a bill already in the Senate, Mheshimiwa Senator Kavindu. Already, there's a bill proposing to do away with that. So this particular chairman, EFCON, he doesn't know that he can be overruled by this, the Senate. Of course, from there it must go to the National Assembly. We have no time to carry out. Vote in a manner that will not end in miscarriage of justice by way of having the wrong winner being announced as a winner. This will not happen again in Kenya. I think that's a lesson of Kalau once again. Kwa hivyo tunasema asante. Asante sana. Kama nimeongea hiyo ingine
Vilingi wa Movomo Tongo TV kumava kaunti ni ya Masako nye nita wa Ben Mosawe.